What's up, people? You know who it is. Your boy Trouble T Roy with GetKicksWholesale at gmail.com. What is going on, everybody? And pardon my voice if it's a little different. I'm sorry, been a little bit under the weather. Even for those of you that I haven't responded to as of quickly, been a little bit under the weather trying to get it together. For 'tis the season for these colds, man. It's kicking me in the butt. So today's review is going to be brought to you by Bam Hoss with the triple soothing action. It's like, now I'm just playing, but I'm on a ton of hauls right now trying to get my throat together, you dig? So, really quick, again, I figure unboxings kind of take too long unless I can do them at home, with my camera sitting down, which is normally not an option, but got something for you here. Package came yesterday. Of course, it's from Maryland, for some kicks that I had ordered, and just wanted to show y'all what they were. So first, let's take a look at this tag. Can you guess what these are? This is Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The color says black, white, red, blue. Can you guess? Now, some of you Jordan heads that may be familiar, you already know what box this is. It's the Jordan 1 box. So, let's see. And again, just to give y'all a heads up, I try to show y'all this does have a quality and control sticker. Like I say, not every one that you buy do, whether retail or wholesale. But what are these boys right here? Ladies and gentlemen, let's see. These are those Jordan 1 top threes. Yay, yay. And you see the indentation. Just from the laces were probably under here. So push the leather in, and the leather's pretty soft. Now, on this one though, what I do notice is that it's no tumble leather. It reminds me more of the Fragments. Take a look. Let's see. But it's still really good quality. Like I say, it's not as dope, as the breads that just came out, but the quality is pretty decent. Let's see. So altogether, it looks like they have additional laces. They have two more: the red, the white, and they come with the black. So they come with 3 sets of laces. These are mean. I really like these joints. Pretty dope. Let's go in a little bit. Shoe tree. Oh, and they got some of the North Carolina blue hints on the inside. I didn't know that. Like, you see the Nike Airs Carolina blue on the inside. Didn't peep that. And I don't know why I do this to go out the way, but I still show you guys the tag for some reason. I mean, I know you've seen enough videos where, I've shown that, but let me see if I can get it. Come on, focus. Ah, there we go. Size 11. Put that back. Part of my messy car. You got kids, your cars will never stay clean. I got everything in here. Shit, the top threes, I don't think they set to release until next month. I have the Sneaks on Fire app, so I know most of the release dates. Jordan 1 top threes. It's a pretty cool shoe, pretty decent quality. But under these is the surprise. I don't know if I went over these. So for those that don't know, the top threes are a mixture of the, I don't know why they call it the top three. They could have, it's easily a mixture of 4 shoes. And I'll tell you, you got the Jordan 1, the Breds, the True Blues. You also could say the Chicago Originals, because some of these, like this part, like, or even the black toes, like, so 5 shoes technically. And then on the insole you see the white and Carolina blue, so easily you could say top 5. So the black toes, the Breds, the Jordan 1 Chicago, and the North Carolina blues. So, but they call it the top 3, whatever. I mean, whatever that floats their boat. Putting these back here. And again, it comes in that Jordan 1 box. So you already see what it is. The next, some of you already got these and ordered them from Maryland. And I've heard that some of you have had some issues with production. And not production in the sense like some things that you feel like are off. So let's take a look. The packaging is ill, man. For I guess it's the 20th anniversary of Space Jam. Got the 23 with like the cartoon, the Monstars, and then Bugs Bunny hands. Then they got the 45 because these are supposedly the version that he wore. Like they're modeled after the version I said it right that he wore during the movie. And when he came back to the league, he was rocking these joints. So, let me show you at the bottom real quick. I got the Looney Tunes stamping and the Jumpman info. So this is a sleeve. On here, I got the Jumpman Jordan. I don't know if you can see that. I know it's daytime in the car. It's horrible. They got the Jumpman Jordan. Like, they got some glue on it. See that? Some glue. But I don't be tripping. That's something that can be wiped off anyway. But the Jumpman Jordan, just like on the tongue of the 11's. Actually, the 45 on the top of the box. Tag. Let's see what the colorway it says. Black Concord white. Now, with these, I remember the old Space Jams before this version, they didn't have Concord. Concord is a purple. It's a purple color. And they said the ones that he wore did have like a Concord Jumpman. But when these released, they had, I don't know if you recall, and when they re-released a couple times, they had the blue Jumpman, not a Concord one. But these are said to have the Concord one, which I believe they do, because I don't see why that would, like why they would exclude that. Again, quality control. Inside, like a galaxy theme, like outer space, like the Monstars. The 11 plastic lid. The packaging with this is really dope. And this is that license that they say they send it with. Again, this is for you folks. Like, this isn't for you to give to your customers. They might find something funny with this, especially with it being written in Chinese. Like, oh, you got the shoes from overseas. And you're like, so did everybody else. so did Foot Locker, Finish Line, and everybody else. So let's see what these about, man. Got the plastic. And also, too, people, and I'm not saying you do this, but I know we're more conscious of shoes. And now these are early release. These aren't released yet. So I know we're a little bit critical of them, but they're going to have imperfections. Retail pairs are going to have imperfections. Some are just better made. Like when they produce them, they don't all produce them the same. Like the quality and control is really not as meticulous as a process as they say it is. So please don't be fooled, people. So let's see. The 11's are my favorite, by the way. Like, they've always been my favorite. And they laced them up pretty tight. Like, push the tongue down. I don't like that because it'll misshape the tongue, and then you got to stretch it and get it back to normal. But, and the cut on these are high. They're not like the normal 11's. And I'll show you what I'm saying. Like it comes up higher. The other 11s are normally like down here, like with the here with your lines here. They come further down. It's normally the other 11s normally stop. You see where my finger is? They normally cut like around there, and they're cut high in the back. That's how they're supposed to be. See, look, this is a minor imperfection, but look at the threading here. But you're going to get that. See, they are cut high. Look at how high they're cut. That's intentional. That's how they're going to release. Again, you see carbon fiber. The sole is more icy. And the toe isn't. And again, I don't know where people get their information. Just because the toe isn't milky doesn't mean that it's not authentic. Now, certain 11s do have the milky type toe box. Like not the box, but here with the icy blue. They have the milky, and I think that's the black and white ones. The original black and white ones, you'll see the milky toe. I think you have it in the 72 and 10s because I have a pair of 72 and 10s and the toe's milky. But on the Space Jam, it's not. It's not. So, no need to trip. Like, it's okay. I know with us, like, because we be looking, like, we're used to seeing J's and how the public portrays them. So we look for things, that the average Joe probably won't see or pay attention to. But this is the Jumpman Jordan. Like I say, the tongue, because of the stuffing and the tree on the inside. So let's see. Come on, clear up, focus. This camera on my phone sucks, people. Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever, which is on all the 11s. I think the 72 and 10 say something different, but I can check when I get home. Size sticker. Shoe tree. Inside tag. Let's see. Oh, also too on these, it is a lining. Like it looks like a white lining. That's normal too. I meant to tell you guys that. That's how they're being made. That's normal. Why they did that, I don't know. I have no clue. But again, it's normal. And I'm just trying to make sure I address some concerns and some emails that I got. So, to try to make sure that I get to you guys. And this joint, man, give me a hard time. But the inside tag, let me see if I can back it up, get it to clear. Come on. Yo, I need a new phone. If anybody got some wholesale plugs on phones, email me, hit me up. Let it show brother some love. Because I definitely need a new phone, and I'm not trying to pay like a grip to get a new iPhone 7 or, a Galaxy Note or something like that. Though I'm thinking about switching. I have a Galaxy now, but I'm thinking about switching back to Apple. So here is the secondary joint. As you can see, same thing. And these are clean, man. Like, I like the patent leather on these. And to be honest with you, it's not really patent leather. It's plastic. Patent leather isn't real leather. Just quick thoughts, showing you the bottom, the carbon fiber, yada yada. And be careful, because this carbon fiber, like, you can get splintered. Like, if you rub it the wrong way, like on the edge, it could splinter you. Oh, I didn't show y'all the Jumpman. It's purple. The head is a little rounder, but again, with the stitching, they're not all gonna be the same. .45, again, the high patent leather in that white looking outline. So again, people, that's normal. And also too, misshapen. If you feel like the shoes are misshapen, it could be the way that they squeeze them in the box. Like, I'll give you an example. Look at how my right, it looks wider than the left. I don't know if you can see that, but it's the pressure based off it's put in the box. It's not that the shoe's misshapen. Once you rock them, or whoever rocks them, it'll even out. But remember, the materials, they're soft. So what's going to happen is that's going to happen. Just like as you see with the top three, like the indentation on the side. That just comes from the laces sitting on the bottom of them, pushing the leather in. So, like I said again, I know we're more meticulous because we're selling these, or like some of these, like these are for me personally. I'm not selling these. But I say that now, and then and then I'll be like, all right, let me put these on offer up. I can get another pair later. So just to give you folks a heads up, like that's how it is. Now the one minor flaw that I do see, and again, it could be because of the way that the shoe is folded in the box. The 45, the height of the back of the tongue on the 45 is slightly higher on my left one. But that's about it. And again, retail pairs are going to have these same issues. So I don't want you to think just because you're getting them from a wholesaler, they're giving you shabby sneakers. No, they're going to have the same issues. But again, you know who it is. Any questions, concerns, hit me. It's your boy Trouble T Roy at getkickswholesale@gmail.com. That's GETKICKZ WHOLESALE@gmail.com. Instagram, Twitter, GETKICKZWS and the number 1. And like the Facebook page, www.facebook.com/GETKICKZWS and the number 1. And if you haven't checked it out, go check out the podcast. It's on YouTube. So you don't have to go to SoundCloud per se, but I upload it on SoundCloud first. Go check it out. Another one coming. It should be by the end of the weekend. Some interesting topics. It's going to get more creative as it goes along. So again, much love. I appreciate you guys. And I'm out. Peace.